Today we're going to bring a Bluetooth adapter, and this is actually for your stereo audio, right? It could pretty much be for anything, but let me talk a little bit more what you can do. You have a USB, so you can read off your USB MP3s. You have a micro SD card reader in the bottom. You got the 5 volts, which is a type C. You got the left and right, white and red. And then you got the coaxial, and you got an input to also, an auxiliary cord to also a 3.5 jack connection. In the front, you got enough for a microphone. You got your modes, treble, bass, power, and so forth. So right now we're gonna connect this to our surround sound, which we work in the shop here, and we got our speaker way up there that we're gonna connect to Bluetooth wise. And we're gonna see how it works too. So we're also gonna set up our, not just our Bluetooth speaker, but our phones to listen to our music wirelessly. And this place, if you guys can see it, it's a long hall here. So when we're walking around, we wanna walk around with our phones. We want no disturbance. I like the actual antenna that we're gonna have for this. So we're gonna set it up on our stereo, and I'm gonna take you by the stereo. So this is our stereo we currently have, and this is where it's gonna be hosting our Bluetooth connection to it. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, that's it. Log in. So we're logging into that system right now. Once we logged in, if you guys can see, I'm gonna put the volume down. I want you to play something. We're gonna, once it connects to the system and confirms, play something.
Doing so many kitchens all the time where we got the number one issue that we have is
Bluetooth.
for their pipes and everything.
Up there.
We need to cut them or adjust them, and sometimes the tools are so big.
It's playing from the actual system wirelessly.
On your tool bag with adapters.
Let me show you the remote. So if you guys can see, I could remote control and put the volume here down and up, all right? So we're gonna go minus. If you guys can see, I'm putting the volume down here remotely. Now I'm putting it back up. That's full volume. We're playing a video. Okay, all right. We have the volume. You could do a volume here. You could control the volume here.
So we have the dinosaur one.
Playing the video here.
You download the app. You could
and the speakers up there.
Here, you could also do it on the little machine itself.
So if you're looking for a great Bluetooth connection for a large facility
and the manual
that you can control from your phone, play your music, your videos. So if you're looking for a great option for Bluetooth on your old stereo, easy to handle, easy to manage with remote, hope you guys enjoyed this video.